Hello, on the way to Phoenix. I have another box of bobbleheads here, waiting for Phoenix. But for now, I gotta get a donut. The hell is going on over there? Rainbow. We are at the Neon Sign Park in Casa Grande, just outside of Phoenix. Figured it'd be a good start. Here's my bobbleheads. It'll go with the rest of Phoenix. And here's the energy bobblehead. This is for the Neon Sign Park, because neon takes up a lot of energy. So some guy found it and said the gun fell off. Oh well, glue it. Next up, the Gilbert Water Tower, which is all festive and lit up this year. And at the leg of the water tower, a bobblehead, Endurance, at the suggestion of someone I haven't seen in a long time. Takes a while to get here. Need water to run. Why else did I put it here? Oh well, who knows. Endurance. Alright, we're in Tempe. I was looking for someone charismatic, and I find Charles Trumbull. What I read about him, he was some haiku writer, and has a school named after him. That's where you find the charismatic bobblehead, the charisma bobblehead. Our next stop is the Phoenix Zoo. And at this time, they're doing a Festival of Lights, which is in the zoo, not out here. And look, an orangutan. A light fixture of an orangutan. Good place for a light. Let's put the agility one. Agility has an orangutan on his hand.
No way.
Next stop in Phoenix, Papago Park, military reservation. Certainly should have some heavy weapons here. So I brought big guns and heavy weapons. Yes, don't want to look too suspicious. Where to put it? How about right here? Next up, amazing, I found a swap meet that's open at night here in Phoenix. The Park and Swap. Fitting for the barter bobblehead. All right, let's make this quick. Right on this hydrant.
Going down.
I just entered the Harrah's Resort and Casino near Phoenix. I see a bingo hall. Great place to get lucky. So if you're near the bingo hall, find the luck bobblehead. Okay, we're about to head out for the day, and what do you know it? Oh, someone took it. Oh, I hope they're glad to have it. Next up on the tour, State Farm Stadium. Okay, security just walked away, and let's put the bobblehead next to the statue. Next to his heel. I'll stand that up. Next stop on the Phoenix bobblehead tour, the Banner Deli Webb Medical Center. Yeah, I figured this would be a good corner in Sun City, El Mirage area. And look, a statue of children playing. Let's put the medical bobblehead right here. Alright, I'm at the ASU campus in Glendale, Arizona State University. Beautiful campus. I have the intelligence bobblehead. I was thinking of where to put it. I think, how about at this bell? Next stop on the tour, we're in a community area. Yeah, quaint little community. That's a nice mountain. We're at Lookout. Actually, it's called Lookout Point Park. Where am I gonna drop this? Yeah, it's actually called Lookout Mountain Park. And this is where the hiking trail begins. So, yeah, Lookout Mountain, look out for the sneak bobblehead. All right, we're in a strip mall area, and there's C2 Tactical Range, where you can practice shooting your gun, fitting for small guns. I'm gonna go run up there and put it there. Next stop on the bobblehead drop, I see the Great Wolf Lodge and a water slide over there. If you can look there, that's fun. And next to that, we have a memorial to the USS Arizona. I've actually worked on a naval ship recently, and I know they always need repairs. So let's drop the repair bobblehead at this memorial to the Arizona. Next up, in Scottsdale, at the railroad train park. All right, I have the melee bobblehead. He's carrying a sledgehammer. Well, it takes a hammer to nail in these spikes on the railroad, so I'm gonna leave it right here. Next on my tour of Phoenix, Arizona, it'll be the speech bobblehead. It'll go to some of the best talkers in history. The Navajo code talkers, and they have a monument at the government mall. So, speech bobblehead for the Navajo Code Talker Memorial at Navajo Mall. Oh, Navajo Mall, Government Mall. Excuse me, Navajo Code Talker Memorial, Government Mall. Well, I'm at the Arizona Science Center, so no brainer for science bobblehead right here. All right, we left downtown. And where do I put the explosives one? Well, this is a tricky one to place, but we just happen to be at the sheriff's office in Maricopa County, so let's go with that. Explosives, sheriff's office here in Maricopa County in Phoenix. Next place, we're at the Phoenix Point of Pride Mystery Castle. Yeah, there's this castle here in Phoenix, and it's locked. Yep, they do tours between 11 a.m. and 3:30. Oh well. So I'll leave the lockpick bobblehead at a locked gate at the Mystery Castle. We were able to find the bobblehead you left at the Mystery Castle in Phoenix yesterday afternoon. I grew up about a 3-minute drive from there and currently live about 15 minutes away. My kids and I saw your post after it had been up for a few hours and figured it had already been found, but we wanted to try anyway. We are so glad we did. As we were about to walk back to the car, we spotted him hiding in the bushes. You absolutely made our day. Thank you so much. Your bobblehead has found his forever home, and we will proudly display him among our collection. Next up on this Grand Tour of Phoenix, it's night, and we stop by Phoenix Jiu-Jitsu. That's what it says on the maps. Aries, BJJ, Goodyear. Yeah, Jiu-Jitsu. Learn from the gods. And they're fitting for unarmed. So yes, find the unarmed bobblehead in front of the Jiu-Jitsu place. Phoenix Jiu-Jitsu. Oh, this is the last stop on the Phoenix tour. We're in the Estrella Regional Mountain area in Goodyear. And look, I found a lighthouse with a water slide. That's where you view things from you can view from atop a lighthouse. Fitting for perception. Find this perception bobblehead at the Estrella area, Mountain Regional area here in Goodyear, where this lighthouse water slide is. I sent my mom to check on this one because she was a lot closer and she got it. Thanks for a fun souvenir. Also comment on Instagram. Well, what a trip that was. You just watched Bobblehead Phoenix, which went from the days of bobblehead drops were on December 29th and December 30th. And I just got back today. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you watched Lost New, a Fallout Snow Globe road trip, well, I appreciate it. I will be making a sequel to that. Now, as far as the bobbleheads are concerned, I know at least 2 of them have been found. And, you know, I do see some comments on Instagram. I've seen what people have said on Facebook and Reddit and Imager. Twitter, not so much. Oh well. So yes, again, thanks for your views. And Bobblehead and Bobblegeddon has taken place in Los Angeles, San Diego, Wasteland Weekend, the Snow Globes in Las Vegas, twice so far, and now Phoenix. Well, it takes quite a bit of work for me to get to do Bobblegeddon, or dropping bobbleheads in cities. I gotta 3D print them. In the long run, it's cheaper than just straight up buying bobbleheads from a licensed dealer. I gotta 3D print them, paint them, assemble them, and then just gotta find that window of opportunity, because I do get busy at times. Okay, so if you really want Bobblegeddon to happen, well, in your city, well, that's really up to me. It's just wherever's the nearest city. So, will Bobblegeddon happen in your nearest city? It could. There are a lot of cities around the world. But if I don't do it, you do Bobblegeddon. Who knows? Just don't get arrested. I'm not responsible for any death or injury or your arrest. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Goodbye. I seriously effing love you. Thanks for making my fantasies real in a small way. It is useless trash to most of the world. That's like saying leaving a Hello Kitty on the ground isn't littering. Yeah, someone might like it, but something like 99% of the planet couldn't care less and would consider it garbage. You only view it differently because you personally wouldn't like it. Not all heroes wear capes. Did you leave them out there? Sucks being the actual 6th courier and not finding shit in New Vegas besides fucking America's running scammy clubs. You are the hero the world needs. A lot of Legionnaires are gonna cone down with a case of the deads once the slaves get their hands on these. Good work. Shared, partner. Hope they all get found. Wish I could have snagged one. Yeehaw! Ooh-wee! If I wasn't working, I'd be out collecting and raising stats. What a bad day to live on the other side of the wall. Why can't anyone in El Paso be this cool? Y'all suck. This is dope. This is great. The sneak bobblehead takes my vote as the coolest one. Lol. Love how he's positioned crouched behind the rocks. 20 people are going to find these and have their day made by your actions. Very cool stuff. Bit of faith in humanity restored. Imagine someone picking up luck and just finding 20 bucks. Will I get in trouble if I run through the desert towns with my radar armor and minigun trying to find these? You are a god among humans. This is the coolest side quest there ever was. Nice work. You're doing what Obsidian couldn't, taking pre-med bobbleheads and shoving them in random hiding spots in the Mojave. Mother freaker! So you're the one that put that there!